Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To all of my new and existing subscribers, I just want to thank you guys first for subscribing and just supporting me, liking my videos, commenting. Like, all of that means so much to me because I feel like all of my hard work is finally paying off. I appreciate that my videos resonated with you guys, and my recipes and cooking videos have been a hit with you guys too, so thank you for that. And for today's video, I did not want to be in the kitchen because I did cook a little bit for Christmas. It wasn't a lot, but the last 2 days I was prepping and cooking, so all of that took a lot of energy and effort. So I'm staying away from the kitchen this weekend, but I am going to Baltimore, Maryland for my nephew's birthday party, and I figured why not take you guys along the way. So I left home around like 6:30 this morning. It was still kind of dark, but along the way the sun started to come out and I took some footage of that, so I'm going to be showing you that in a second. But it was just so beautiful and peaceful and like calming that I just had to show it to you guys. And I'll take some footage when I reach Baltimore also. I stopped at a rest stop for now, just to take a little break, use the bathroom, etc. But I'm going to go on the road again. I have like an hour and a half left, but the total trip is like 4 hours. So let me know in the comments below if you like taking road trips, whether you like to take road trips with people, friends, family, or like by yourself. I personally like taking road trips with people and by myself too, because it's very therapeutic for me. I like to just analyze my thoughts and just listen to some good music of my choice. Do subscribe before we start this video. So now I just want to show you the footage I got from this morning for you guys of the sun rising. So now let's get into the video. just made it back home. Thank God I made it back safely. That's why I don't have that much like night footage or footage from along the way coming back home. But everything went well for my nephew's birthday. It was pretty exhausting and it was really, really cold, but everything went well and my nephew was happy with his birthday surprise and his cake and everything. So at the end of the day, that's all that matters. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and do a little outro and just say thank you for watching and thank you for the support again. I know this video was not anything crazy, no recipe or anything, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little road trip of mine and you enjoyed the little scenery along the way. So I'm going to be ending the video here. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know if you enjoy road trips and like what kind of music you guys like to listen to on the road trip. I'll see you in the next video, which will surely be a recipe. Until then, guys, take care of yourselves.